Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Vocal Coach India sessions. This is episode number 6. So, today I'm going to talk about the mechanics of singing. That is, how we actually sing. What are the different stages in singing process? So, singing can be basically divided into 4 stages. The first one is breathing. As you all are familiar with breathing, that involves inhalation and exhalation. What is inhalation? We inhale air or we take in air to our lungs and fill the lungs and we exhale back, right? That is exhalation. Breathing is a very, very important topic in singing. I can't cover everything about breathing in today's episode, but I just want to mention that what we need is diaphragmatic breathing. So basically, the breathing that involves the engagement of our diaphragm. Uh, Please follow this YouTube channel because I will be talking more about diaphragmatic breathing in the future episodes. So the second stage of singing is phonation. So what is phonation? The air from the lungs will go and hit the vocal cords and produce sound. So the production of sound is called phonation. So when the air hits the vocal cords vibrates and creates the sound. That is phonation. One very important thing to note is that the first 2 stages, that is respiration or breathing and phonation, is universal. This is same for any kind of music that is being sung all over the world. Just imagine, can any singer sing without breathing and production of sound? No, right? So that is the basic. The first 2 stages is same. The next 2 stages of singing that I'm going to explain now are very much genre specific, language specific, and style specific. So basically, it is different for different kinds of music, different traditions of music, different countries, different languages, etc. Let's check out why. So the third stage is resonation. Hope you remember I did a video a couple of weeks back about resonance in Indian music and Western music. So the sound which is produced in our vocal cords during phonation needs to be resonated in different resonating chambers. So let's have a look at what are the different areas of resonance for voice. So what are the 7 possible areas of vocal resonance? One is chest resonance, then tracheal pipe, the trachea, that is another area of resonance. Third one is the voice box itself, the larynx. The fourth one is pharynx. We talked about pharyngeal resonance a couple of weeks back. Hope you remember that video. The fifth one is oral cavity, the mouth. Then nasal cavity, the nose. Then sinuses, different sinus cavities. So these are the 7 possible areas for vocal resonance. So the third stage is resonance. As I mentioned a couple of weeks back about resonance being very much culturally dependent and stylistically dependent, you understand now, okay, because different kinds of music needs different types of resonance. So we overlap between these different cavities that we mentioned just before. The fourth stage in singing is articulation or shaping of the sound. So the sound which is resonated needs to be shaped according to the language, according to the way you want the singer want to project it. So that process is called articulation. So it's very much genre specific, style specific, tradition specific. So we have different articulators in our body to shape the sound. For example, lips, tongue, jaw, teeth, hard palate, soft palate. So all these things combined can change the shape of the sound. For example, just a change in tongue position can change the vowel from E to O. I will demonstrate. E O. See, the position of jaw and tongue changes. So that is articulation. So for different style of musics, we need to use different combinations of articulators to shape the sound. So what are the 4 stages of singing? Breathing, phonation, resonation, and articulation. So that's it for episode number 6. I hope you are enjoying this Vocal Coach India sessions on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also comment below if you have any questions related to this topic or if you have any topic in mind that you want me to cover. Thank you.